Mashindano magari ma safari rai ma KCB Guru Nanak ni mabirire mwana wa Kajiado, umuthi mwana wa Kitengela. Hari matereba 25 aria mekwiyandikithitie ni hamwe na muhotani wa tene Karfresh Tudo, undu umwe na njorua muteteri wa mashindano maya Kenya Bar Drive Chatha.
He was given a work strike by Toyota. Unless some local driver gets something similar, only then you'll find a Kenyan at the top there. Otherwise, it will just be a WRC affair, and you'll find just the top teams, Toyota, Hyundai, and stealing the line like threats.
Tudo no hotani Mahenya maya, woku akiumwo thutha ni Bar Drive Chatha, nake Kairai aigane na namba 3. Na muthiani ate timu ya AFC Leopards ni monanie na timu ya Tusker FC kiharo-ini kia Afraha kaunti-ini ya Nakuru thini wa ngucanio cia KPL. Tusker gukire uguo ni magonirie timu ya AFC Leopards na kumariga bao imwe hatari macokio. Timu ya Tusker irogamire namba 2 na pointi 41, huku AFC Leopards mari namba 6 na pointi 34. Gor Mahia riu mari gacombere karigi ino ya KPL na pointi 44. Ngirifuatira Kameme TV haro-ini, njitagwo Njoki wa Mwaki.